What is that?
Yeah. Secret lagoon. Secret lagoon.
Hi guys! I'm with Ate Arlene.
Ate Arlene.
It's my anak. I'm my long lost daughter.
You have a bathroom? Okay.
Like ano?
Yes.
Because inside we have our
Doon na.
Jollibee also.
Do you have a...
Do you believe in him?
It's not 7-Eleven?
Oh, there's a 7-Eleven. There's a floating 7-Eleven.
7 hours open, 11 hours closed. That's why 7-Eleven. Yes, 7 open. The Beatles back to the town. Yeah. What's our my group?
Saan na tayo? Nawala na natin. Hi.
Where's the helmet? Do you remember in Langkawi?
Yeah.
When we go in the temple, I go safe. Boom.
Namatay.
Okay lang yan. Basta nakaret. Nag-ano lang
Ah,
siya.
ito.
Yung screen lang.
Yung screen lang mismo.
Oh, welcome to Secret Lagoon.
Not secret anymore!
Not secret anymore.
Only in the Philippines.
Yes. Be careful, guys.
Ay, kuya.
Your ID because no ID, no ID.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah.
We're the green group, we bring him home.
Duterte.
Close your eyes. Because close your eyes. It's free.
I must have closed that block.
Oh, see?
Oh,
The
amazing.
Secret Lagoon.
It's so secret, nobody sees.
Careful.
Slowly with that.
Oh, senior citizen. Okay.